หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA สเต็มมา STEMMA
Hello everyone. So this experiment is called the blooming flowers experiment. So for this you will need some paper flowers which we will colour in with coloured pencils. We will need double-sided tape, spray bottle of water, and a laminate sheet like this. So what we're going to do is take a flower cut out of paper, colour them in however you like, and then we're going to fold them up like so. As you can see, we fold it and it gets very small like this. We then take some tape, just a little bit, put it on the page anywhere you like. So we put it right there, then take it off, leaving the sticky bit behind where we can stick a folded up flower. Now, for the last part, we take the spray bottle and we spray these flowers with water. And the more we spray, you can see the flowers start to open up. Wow! Look at this! After we spray the water onto the page, we can see the flowers have opened up the petals. They have bloomed into a very beautiful picture. Goodbye everyone!